Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get creases out of your Jordan 4s or any Jordans for that matter. So you're not going to want to miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright, guys, as you can see, I got a pair of Jordan 4s here. Let's check out those creases. Got some pretty decent creases. Not terrible to get out, but they don't look the best. I mean, obviously you can see they're definitely creased, okay? We're gonna fix these up though, real nice, and we're gonna get those creases out. Real easy, guys, real easy. I did this video before. That video is at over 11,000 views now, so thank you guys. Also, thank you on 800 subscribers. I feel like the last video I just said 700, we're at 800 now, so thank you guys for that. Almost at 1,000, almost at that milestone, we're getting close, but let's get right to getting these creases out. So now what I recommend to get these creases out is a steamer, okay? This is a steamer that I use. I forget what brand this is. Rowenta steamer, okay? Check it out. I will put the link to this in the description, as well as the UV light I use, and also the fan I use in my icebox. That's for icebox videos, but I'm going to put all those stuff in the description so you guys can check it out and see exactly what I am using. Okay, now back to these. Okay, so you need a steamer to get this out, and you also need a washcloth, a wet washcloth that you're going to put over top of this. Okay, and one more thing before you start steaming it is you're going to fill this with socks, your shoe with socks. That way this is puffed out, and then we're going to put the washcloth over it, start steaming it very slowly along the whole crease. Okay, going back and forth. Probably going to do it for a good minute, maybe 2 minutes. Take it off. Look at it, see if you need to go any more. I usually massage the leather too to try to get it to form back to its original look where it's not creased. So you're gonna probably do a little bit of massaging, and then you are going to do it again if you need to do some more, get more creases out. You're gonna see too, once you do it once, you might be like, oh, I missed a spot, I need to focus on this side more. So then you're gonna start focusing on that side more. But yeah. That's all we are going to do. I'm going to show you every step of that right now. That was just a little overview of what we're going to do, but now we're going to get right into that. All right, so we're going to start with the first step, which is taking our socks, and we're going to stuff this, make sure there's no creases shown, okay? So here we go. Stuff the shoe. Make sure you get it nice and tight and try to get all those creases out from just doing this, okay? This will help you in the long run. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, it's the best I'm probably going to get. As you can see, it's all puffed up to the top, and majority of those creases are out. Now it's just like the fine creases, and that is when we put this to the test and it's going to work. So that's one shoe. Let's do the other shoe now. Same thing. Stuff the shoe, get all those creases out. Visible creases out, I should say, because those creases are still there. Okay, there we go. So, as you guys can see, creases aren't there. They aren't as bad, I should say. They're still there, but not as bad. Now, we got to get those out, because obviously it's not going to stay like that, because we're not going to have socks stuffed in here. Okay, so damp washcloth. I already dampened it. Whoop, already dampened it. Take this, okay? You're gonna drape it over the shoe, okay? Right in here, obviously. I know the toe is there. That's where I'm gonna be steaming it. You got my steamer. About to turn it on. We got the steam. Now we're gonna go over our shoe, okay? Now I'm like almost touching the cloth. A little bit off of it. You can touch it, it's okay, it's not gonna hurt anything. Biggest thing, don't stay in one spot. You gotta keep moving it around. And this will get hot on your hand. I'm just gonna give you a forewarning. So you gotta kind of keep your hand to the side so you don't get hit. So I'm literally just like grazing it. Again, the thing can touch it as long as you just don't keep it sitting there. You gotta keep it moving. Keep this thing moving around. Moving around. And you're gonna see the cloth is gonna get pretty hot, okay? So look, now I'm gonna take this, right? Cloth is pretty hot, so be careful. But now I'm just gonna massage this out. okay? I'm literally just massaging this. You're gonna feel it's a lot softer than before, obviously because it's hot now. So we're gonna massage this out. We're trying to get all those creases out. Okay, massage it. Check out what we're working with. As you can see, this side's not bad. It's more this side over here. Okay, so like I said, you're gonna go back over this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put that washcloth back here, and I'm gonna focus on the right side, okay? So put this back on. Focus on the right side of the shoe. Turn my steamer back on. And the right side of the shoe. Keep going over it. It really doesn't take long, guys. You don't have to do this for too long. We're gonna massage that side out now. Same thing, okay? Let's see where I'm at. Yep. Massage this side out. That is hot. Woo! Don't burn yourself, guys. I'm telling you, it's super hot. We're just massage that out. Try and get those wrinkles out. Obviously, this shoe is like very soft, so it's gonna have those natural wrinkles because that's kind of just the design of it. But it's still, the creases are gonna look a lot better than what we were talking about before. Okay. Good. Okay. Then what I like to do, I'm gonna push it in a little bit farther. Okay. I push that sock in a little bit farther, make it pop up a little bit more because it kind of settled. So we do that again. I'm gonna massage it back with that heat. Okay. Now, as you can see, it looks like kind of like what it did before. You can tell a little bit of the wrinkles are out, but it's a little bit better than before. Now, I'm gonna go over it a couple more times because I did take the socks out and I could still see a little bit of the crease. So now I'm gonna go over it again and try to get those out even more. And then I'll tell you what the next step is. Okay, so now, here it is, guys. As you can see, the creases are still there a little bit, but not as bad as it was before. We still have the sock in it. Reason why I'm keeping it in right now is that this is the last step. Once you finish, okay, getting the creases out, or majority of the creases, what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep those socks in there and you wanna keep it stuffed. I would wait, I mean, probably a couple hours. You don't have to wait that long, but I guess I would just wait, you know, a good amount of time, at least 30 minutes. Just so this thing sets, because especially when the leather is warm and stuff like that, it's got to try to form to that new shape. If you just take it out right away, it's just going to go back to where it was. So we want to keep it stuffed and keep it tight like this. That way it stays to this shape and this form. That way when we take it out, it's not going to collapse and back to what we were before with the crease. So I'm going to keep this like this, and I'm going to do a video at the end of what they look like when I take the socks out. I still have to do the other one, but now that you guys know how to do this one, we're just gonna wait to see the results. All right, guys, so I just got the creases out of both of them, as you can see right here. Now the socks are still in them. I'm gonna take them out just so you guys can see exactly what they look like once I take the socks out. Okay, there's one out. There is two out. And let's look at them, guys. What do you guys think? Okay. Big difference from before. Here's the before. This is the now. I'll even give you a better picture, guys. So this is the before. This is the now. And as you guys can see, big difference, guys. Like, real big difference. And it took me probably 10 minutes, 5 on each shoe. And all you need is a steamer. I guess you can use an iron too. I haven't used an iron yet. I've only used a steamer, and the steamer works good for me. You also need a washcloth and then put socks in the shoe. Like, it's really simple. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope that helped. As you can see, these shoes I just got, I'm restoring them. You can see we got some paint right here chipping. Looks like a little bit of a scuff. We're gonna patch that up. I also had, what other issue? I think on this side, yep, some more paint right here. So in the next video, I'm actually going to be touching this stuff up and making this shoe look even better than it does now. So if you guys want to see that, check it out in the next video. So with that being said, that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks. And what creases? I don't see none. They gone. I'm gone.